Hello everybody, how's it going? Welcome to another video from a Blogger Maniac. In this video, we are going to see how to, do scripting. Okay, and in this video is a resume in 3 steps to make affirmation about the law of attraction. Okay, let's begin.
This is the future.
According to brain tracing, the goals scale, we are going to make affirmation about our goals and dreams. He said a 3-step PPP: personal, present, and positive. If you want to make affirmations about your dreams and goals, you have to do it personal, present, positive. For example, if I want to have house, I have house. But if I want to put it them emotion, I have to have a house, a beautiful house with 5 bedrooms, a living room, beautiful garden, a garage for 3 cars, beautiful grass, and a man cave in the basement, or playground, cinema room. So you are putting a lot of description about your dream, but it's personal. Have, present, have, and positive. You don't say I don't have, say I have, or I having on a good time, or I am living in a beautiful house in California, or I live in a beautiful apartment in New York. So you decide. Or I am driving a beautiful car and a beautiful Mercedes C350 or 350 in a speedway. You're driving fast in a beautiful car. I like the sound of the engine. So that way you are scripting, you are making your affirmation, and at the same time you look like are visualizing your goal, your dreams. At the same time you are writing down. On another example, I earn $3,000 a month, or I earning 3,000 per month and I feel great, or $5,000 per month and I feel great, awesome, because I want I can buy, or I being able to do a lot of stuff. So this beautiful resume how to scripting. I have watched a lot of video about this. I read a lot of book about a lot of attraction. It's the same thing. If you want to scripting, I watched a testimony about that. It's wonderful and beautiful how to came true the dreams. Beautiful to see how the dreams of the people become the reality is accomplished. Wonderful to see it. I hope you like this video. I ask you pardon or forgiveness for my English, but this is the resume of the how to make scripting or affirmation according to law of attraction. I hope to see you soon, and bye.